Hello friends, how are you? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all my Afghan peoples. First of all, subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. I'm new in YouTube. I want support of all my Afghan peoples. So today I'm going to show you how to make online money. I found best four ways to make money online. First of all, you can use all in the fourth ways in your smartphone and also in computer. First of all, I'm going to show you how. First of all, the website name is wordpress.com website maker. This is my website that is also giving money. Start money. Look, there's everything is written here. First of all, he takes some money from you for upgrade to premium plan. At least 200, yeah, $300 need to make your website beautiful. Second is second is shrinkearn.com. This is a shortened website, shortened ads maker. And any ad you can look. I will this is my website, fitness workouts. Okay, you will put any type of website like afghanfootball.com, like on anything you want to, but need to first like that, write that website name and in the last.com that will, and touch that shorten that will make it, and you can earn money from them. This is the best way. And third one is Google AdSense. Fourth way is YouTube to make money. So friends, anyone have any question, tell me in comments. I will fix for you. Thanks for supporting me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.